One of the most loved iOS 18 features is the fully redesigned Control Center. What I love the most about the revamped Control Center is the ability to perfectly arrange icons and even adjust their sizes in line with the preference. But what if you have completely messed up your Control Center and now want to reset it to default? No worries, because there is a pretty neat way through which you'll be able to reset Control Center on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later, and that too without losing any custom settings at all. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. And then you have to choose the Control Center option. And then you have to tap on Reset Control Center option. Now a pop-up will appear on the screen saying, this will reset your Control Center layout to factory defaults. You have to tap on the Reset Control Center option in the menu and you are good to go. Now if you want to design the Control Center from scratch, just bring it up by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen, and then you have to tap on the plus button at the top left, and then you have to tap on Add a Control button, and finally you have to choose the preferred control from the controls gallery, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily reset the iPhone Control Center in iOS 18 or later. Now that you have unlocked this hidden feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.